Supply chain begins its journey.
Thorough cleaning begins immediately.
Each pack is precisely filled.
Final verification ensures perfection. Products are grouped for shipment.
The journey begins in fertile banana plantations.
Only the finest fruits are selected.
Selected harvest is prepared for transport.
The supply chain begins its journey.
Raw materials arrive at the processing facility.
Efficiency ensures product freshness. Thorough cleaning begins immediately. Every piece is purified with precision. Quality control starts human expertise.
Only perfect bananas move forward.
Preparation begins with careful peeling.
Automation ensures consistency. Precision cutting defines the product. Fresh slices are gathered instantly. Preparation enhances crisp texture.
Excess moisture is removed carefully.
Oil reaches optimal frying temperature. The transformation begins instantly.
Precision ensures consistency. Precision ensures consistency.
Golden chips are carefully extracted. Cooling locks in crispness.
Only premium quality is approved.
Flavor is evenly blended.
Signature taste is crafted.
Every chip is perfectly coated. Texture is stabilized.
Quality meets scientific standards.
Accuracy is strictly maintained. Each pack is precisely filled. Packaging process begins. Accuracy is strictly maintained. Freshness is locked inside. Identity is established.
Final verification ensures perfection.
Products are grouped for shipment.
Packaging is secured.
Products are safely stored.
Fresh products leave the factory.